Hey guys, what we have in today is new car protection, Range Rover Velar, brand spanker. Picked up on Saturday with a customer and straight here on the Tuesday, so it's pretty new. For Fireball's Docto paint protection, 2 coats of that, 2. I've just done the interior protection, leather and fabric. It got dropped off late this afternoon, so I figured I'd smash that out this afternoon and get it out of the way. So tomorrow will be full wash, full safe wash, contamination, both chemical and clay bath where needed, and then full paint inspection after the full wash. I had a quick look over before. The black pillars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and bits at the top of the roof, they need to be corrected, definitely. The paint looks good from what I can see. A little bit dirty, so it's a little bit hard to see, but it's pretty good, so I'm quite happy. As it is a new car prep, so it's not here for full correction, but it's here to make sure it's perfect before protection is applied within reason. She's a lovely car. White and black interior, white leather. So that needed to be treated and protected. That's going to get abused. Unfortunately, white leather is not the best to deal with day to day, but if it's cleaned regularly, it should be fine. Yeah, so you'll see me bright and early tomorrow morning, and we'll take you through the wash process. See you now. Morning. Wash process. Range Rover Velar. Get this off. Snow foamed, rinsed, snow foamed. Time to do wheels and tyres while the snow foam does its job. Then I'm going to rinse it off and snow foam it again and wash it.
I am the original Dantana.
Outside. Happy I'm here. This doesn't go out till tomorrow morning, so hopefully it will stay dry tomorrow. Yeah, am I in focus? That's better. Washed, decontaminated. It wasn't that bad, thank God. The only paint defects, things that need to be corrected a little bit, is the piano black pillars, A pillars, B pillars, C pillars, and the top section of the roof. Top bits, all black, really soft paint, really annoying. Just got one side to go, and then full wipe down the IPA, make sure it's bone dry, make sure it is perfectly bare paint, ready for Docto. Fireball's #1 paint protection item, and then the wheels, wheel outer face with talon, just to protect the rims a little bit, make it a lot easier to wash, because these rims were a little bit tricky to wash. Thank God they weren't that dirty, but they're going to be pretty annoying to wash every other week, so protection's going to help. Focus. Yeah, keep going. So the black piano parts down the bottom here, down the side skirts and around the front and around the rear. Yeah, they need a bit of love. The holograms, buffer trails, you name it. All over it. Someone just hit it with a rotary, probably from the factory or maybe in the dealer, and didn't know what they're doing. So now I have to fix it before I apply protection, because you don't want underneath protection. Stay tuned, guys. Doctor time. Yes, that's all my buffing towels. I like to have a lot of them. I don't like to keep using one over and over again. Yeah, fully IPA'd, wiped down, bare paint at the moment. I have to get this on pretty quickly because I can get dusty in here, so I'd like to get it on straight away. This will be the first coat, then the second coat in about 4 hours or so. In between that, I'll get the rims done, which will be relatively straightforward. Sit down and take about 10 minutes each or so. It's only the front face, not the inner rim. Yeah. New car protection. It's not here for full perfection, but I did polish what needed to be polished without going too crazy, not spending 10 hours on the car. But yeah, I love this car. I love the little, look at this, rose gold features. There, oh there. Yeah, I don't know if that was an option or it's just this model, I don't know. But there you go. Alrighty, let's get to it, Jack, come on.
I am the original Dantana.
Wheels protection done. Use Fireball's Docto, as I think I mentioned before. Relatively easy to put on. These wheels are a little tricky. They have a little things in their spokes. You have to try to get your finger in. Can be a bit annoying to get the cloth in. I use a cut up yellow microfiber to get in there, to do the wheels wherever they are. Yeah. I use these cut up ones so they're just easy to manage to get in and out of the wheel, instead of a big towel or the little suede applicator that sucks, for the wheels at least. But yeah, the first layer of Docto is on. There'll be a second layer going on very shortly. I have about an hour to kill, I think. Yeah. Gotta always be careful to not have high spots, because if you high spot, leave it too long, it's going to be there forever unless you sand it back almost or cut it back. Yeah, she's looking good. She's looking good. The weather today is a bit rainy and cloudy and I'm just all over the place, so I had to make sure this thing stays dry for the cure time. So yeah, now time just to pack up a bit, sort myself out. Yeah, this is an interesting car. I like it. Actually like it. It looks, I think it's wider than the Range Rover or the Evoque. It just seems tougher. That's my opinion. Especially from the rear. Rather than the new Discovery with the offset plate, which looks terrible.
The next day.
What a gloomy, wet, yucky Gold Coast beautiful day. That'll be like this next 2 days or so. So good thing I had this big job to make the week worthwhile. Got a couple on tomorrow, but whether they happen or not, I don't know yet, so we'll see. But this one's going back to the customer today. Customer's on her way. She's going to be excited. Nice, glossy, shiny. Checked it. Put this down. The center console on these cars are it's one big flat glass or plastic screen with that bit up there, and that's going to get so fingerprinty. It's not funny. Like, it was a couple days old and it was already covered in fingerprints and stuff, so I'm gonna have to talk to the customer and give her a nice microfiber to make sure it's clean all the time, so she can wipe it down. Just those little things. This white leather's been protected by Optimum stuff. All this stuff, all this stuff, all this stuff for the center console, armrests, fabric protected. Wheels are protected with Talon. Car is protected with Docto. Been curing for a while, so thank God it has been because of the weather. Not meant to get it wet too soon after protecting, but sometimes you can't avoid it. You have to avoid it. Can't avoid it. Speak properly, Jack. Tires are dressed. It's a satin finish from Fireball. Where's my coffee? Where's my coffee? Coffee. Left it outside. Yum. What was I saying? I don't know. Yeah, she's been a pleasure to work on. Such a brand new, different model car that I've had for a while. So very, very appreciative of the customer, and very appreciative of my referral from Jim Hernandez. He sent me the customer, Deanne. So thank you very much, Jim. What else to say? Oh yeah, if you ever want your car protected, like this one, hit me up on Facebook, JJC Auto Detailing, website, jjcautoDetailing.com.au, email, jjcautodetailing@gmail.com. I'll put some links in the description down below. Please follow me on Instagram. I can assume what you know what it would be, JJC Auto Detailing. Yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, follow me, recommend me, spread the word, guys. I like to take care of cars, and if you like that, we're gonna like each other.